In this video, I will tell you how you can create a link for your WhatsApp group, which you can share with others. Without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, you need to open WhatsApp. This method works on both WhatsApp Business and regular WhatsApp. After this, you have to open a group for which you want to create a link. Here, I have this group here. I will open it. After that, you need to click here, or you can also go to Group Info from here. You need to scroll down here, and you will find Invite via link. Open this. Now, you will have different options here, such as you can directly copy it from here, like copy the link. You can directly share this link on any social media platform or wherever you want. Additionally, you can also generate a QR code for this group as well. After copying the link, you need to open the profile of any person with whom you want to share, and here, you have to paste the copied link and send it. When someone clicks on this link, they will join this group. I am already added myself in this group, so it shows me View Group. But if you send it to someone else, they will get the Join Group option. In this way, you can create a link for any WhatsApp group and share it with others. Thanks for watching this video.